warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alicia Bilian Arfi with NIM 44241203 in majoring communication studies. Here I want to give my opinion about smoking in the campus environment. My opinion is that smoking on campus is not allowed on campus. Many people cannot be exposed to cigarette smoke and feel disturbed by cigarette smoke, which smells very strong. It can also endanger the health of people around campus. Smoking can also endanger health, especially disrupting respiratory organs such as lungs. If smoking outside campus could be allowed. That's all the opinion I can convey. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Alicia Bilian Arfi with NIM 44421203 from class 441D01 in the Communication Science Study Program. Here I will explain a little material about simple present tense. Explain study material about simple present tense. Explanation is meant by simple present. What is present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. What does present mean? Present is simple. Present means now that simple means simple, and tense in the form of the verb according to the time period used. Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening right now. Apart from that, the simple present tense is also used in the conditional sentence type 0 and conditional sentence type 1 sentence patterns followed by the simple future tense. Structure of sentence. A sentence consists of the following three things. Subject, P predicate, C complement atau complementary. Sentence formulation. The formula for a simple present tense is positive sentence, subject plus verb 1 or to be, is, are. Negative sentence, subject plus do or does plus not plus bare infinitive or subject plus be or or is or are plus not. Interrogative sentence, to be, is, are or are plus subject or do or does plus subject plus bare infinitive. After second pronouns she, he, it at the ending s or es to the verb. Meanwhile, for the subject, I, you, the, we for verb 1 does not change. Sentence formulation. The simple present sentence formula is divided into two. There are nominal sentence formulas and there are verbal sentences. One nominal simple present tense, positive subject plus to be plus complement, negative subject plus to be plus not plus complement, interrogative to be plus subject plus complement. Contoh kalimatnya, positif, I am an international school student. Negative, she is not an international school student. Interrogative, is she an international school student? 2. Verbal simple present tense. The formula for the simple present tense for verbal patterns is positive subject plus verb 1 plus complement, negative subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement, interrogative do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. In a verbal sentence, you don't need to add to after the subject because the task as the predicate is the verb. If you make a sentence with a third person pronoun and as the subject, he, she, it, singular subject. There are several verbs that must add s or es at the end. Simple present tense sentence based on patterns. Simple present tense sentence patterns are divided into three, namely positive, negative, and interrogative sentence patterns. Simple present tense positive sentence patterns, single subject. If the object in your sentence is a single object, you can make a sentence using the simple present tense formula, namely s plus verb 1, s or es, plural subject. So if the subject is plural, the simple present tense formula that you use is as plural subject plus verb 1. Simple present tense negative sentence patterns. The simple present tense negative sentence patterns is a subject followed by do or does, then not, and verb 1. The use of do or does depends on the subject of the sentence. Yes, if the subject is single, then use does. But if the subject is plural, use do. Don't forget that because the sentence form is negative, we add not. The simple present tense interrogative sentence patterns. Yang 3, the pattern of interrogative sentence in the simple present tense is divided into two, namely yes or no question and WH questions. Yes or no question in the simple present tense formula for yes or no question, do or does is placed at the beginning of the sentence, then followed by the subject and verb 1, also add a question mark to it. Okay, the division of use of do and does is the same as before. WH question, interrogative sentence containing the elements 5W plus 1H, namely what, who, when, where, why, and how. The sentence pattern for WH question is similar to yes or no question. Yes, the difference is we will place question words at the beginning of the sentence. Simple present tense sentence patterns using be. Simple present tense sentence pattern that use be after the subject of the sentence. We immediately enter be, then followed by the noun, adjective, and adverb. There are three types, namely am, is, and are. Its use depends on the subject of the sentence. Example sentence from these patterns. 1. Simple present tense positive sentence patterns. Subject, singular subject. A bee buzzes around flowers. A mixer mixes eggs, flour, and sugar together. Plural subject. Babies sleep 17 hours a day. 2. Simple present tense negative sentence patterns. I do not clean my room. She does not exercise because she is busy. Ratu does not eat vegetables. Example sentence from these three patterns. Simple present tense interrogative sentence patterns. Yes or no question. Does he eat pork? Do you play the guitar? Clean the classroom. WH question. Where do you live? Why does she learn English? How do the write these letters? 4. Simple present tense sentence patterns using be. I am pretty. She is not a doctor. Fari is smart. Characteristic of simple present tense sentence. 1. Using verbs in the basic form infinitive or noun irregular verbs. Example, I play I play soccer every weekend. Play is a verb in the best form. 2. Auxiliary use auxiliary verbs, namely do or does, for verbal sentence in negative and interrogative forms. 3. In the present tense, there are usually adverbs of time such as always. 3. In the present tense, there are usually adverbs of the time such as always, usually, often, rarely, never, every day or week or month or year. Function and use of simple present tense. 1. General truth or generalization or facts or explaining facts that are certain. Simple present tense is a form of sentence to state concrete things. 2. Habitual or daily activities, aka repeated action. Expressing something that always happens over and over again. Their simple present tense also function to show daily habits or activity, aka activities or schedule that you repeat to daily. 3. Express feeling and emotion. 4. The schedule even in the near future or familiar with future conditions. 5. Comment or instruction. 5. Comment or instruction. Conclusion. Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening right now. A sentence and sentence a sentence, if it consists of the following three things: subject, predicate, complement. Simple present tense patterns are divided into three, namely positive, negative, and interrogative sentence patterns. That just that That's just a little explanation from me regarding the material. More or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.